And follow the blue sign that says exit. Wiring satellites. Yeah, you're not going to have much luck with that in here, I don't think.
We're going...
Can't use that thing to help you out of this pickle, can you?
Look. Why not?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, exit and then... Oh, no, you want to go to the right. That's correct.
South, right? Bayshore Road south.
Well, you're going north, but nonetheless, it's the same thing. Oh my God. How many idiots does it take to pilot out of this thing? Wow. Okay. Now turn left onto Donahoe Street.
Yeah, so look at that. I've had yellow lights all along the way. And so,
Oh my goodness.
It's not really yellow anymore, was that? That's pretty much red.
Sir, may I see your camera, please? Were you filming?
Here's your evidence right here. Where does it want me to go?
Well, I'm reckoning you're going to go left here and follow the signs for San Francisco. It's just a thought. I don't know. Call me crazy. A late model Camry, license plate 5W, 5 Walrus, G George, M Mary, 914. So who's in there?
Bayshore Animal Hospital. Small little place.
Doesn't look like it's getting a lot of business.
Looks like it's pretty much cordoned off.
Yeah.
They were selling animal meat.
Yeah, I know. That's the puppy mill. The pet cemetery.
Yes. I'm going straight, right?
Left, follow. Oh, yes, yes. Follow the signs. Yes, yes, yes. Don't pay any attention to me, sir.
You would have me going to San Jose.
Well,
turn left onto US 101 North.
now she gets it. She's woken up.
Time you're going in the right direction.
How much time you listen? She didn't have that attitude this time, that condescending tone.
Recalculating.
Yeah. Make a right. I said right.
Gosh dang it, you make me think.
Shit. Again, you're creative. Just resettling.